I am always on the hunt for new types of filament for my 3D printer, and NextShapes sent over this roll of their standard PLA for the creation of this video, and so that I can show you more about it. All right, now let's get a quick look at this filament from NextShapes. As you can see here, we have a standard cardboard spool here with a couple holes at the top and bottom. That way you can keep your loose filament secured on the spool. Don't have to worry about it unraveling. Now, nice thing about this is we do have a label here on the front that gives us some printing information regarding the print speed, temperatures, so on and so forth that NextShapes recommends for this filament. We also have a nice label here on the cutout, giving us a nice estimation of exactly how much filament is left on the spool. And then we have some actual contact information here. We've got an email address and their website printed right on the spool there. Nice and handy information in case you need it. Taking a look at the edges of the spool as well. I've seen a couple companies do this so far, and I really appreciate it. They've actually coated the edge of this spool with a bit of material to reinforce it. That way you don't have to worry about some of the dust and wear and tear that you can get from cardboard filaments that don't have this type of coating. I really like that feature on this spool of filament. All right, now if you've watched my videos before, you knew what was coming next, and of course that is a test print of Benchy. So as you can see here, we have the blue cyan color here from NextShapes, and I'm pretty happy with how this stuff turned out. This is just a standard PLA filament, not matte, not gloss, just really nice print quality here. Just a slight hull line in the print, but it's really hard to tell here on camera, and even with the naked eye, it's still pretty tough to see. So really nice quality there on the hull line that gives some filaments and printers issues. But overall, really happy with the print quality of this filament from NextShapes. All right, now a little more complex and fun print here. We got the Quackadile. And again, I am really happy with how this print turned out. We've got a bit of a gloss to it, a little bit of a sheen, but nothing too crazy. It's definitely not a silk type filament, but it's also not a matte. It's right there in between. Really nice quality with this print. Really happy with how this turned out. No issues at all. Just a really nice quality standard PLA filament from NextShapes. All right, now as you saw with those test prints of this filament from NextShapes, I'm really happy with how this stuff turned out. I didn't have to make any tweaks to my printer settings. This stuff just worked right out of the box, which is exactly what you want from a regular type of PLA filament. All right, now if you're looking for some new filament, especially with some unique colors like the stuff from NextShapes, I definitely recommend taking a look at it. Now, as always, I've got a link in the description below if you want to try this filament out for yourself.